Hi guys, this is Sunil. Welcome to House Plan. In this video, I'll show you 30 by 40 side floor plan app. 2 BHK house. Facing up side is east facing. Number of floor is G plus 1. Ground floor plus first floor plan. Main door entrance is provided towards east facing. This is ground floor plan. This is second floor plan. All outer walls are 9-inch thick brick wall and inner wall is 4-inch thick brick wall. Let's see details of ground floor plan. Facing of site is east. Length of site is 40 feet and width of site is 30 feet. Towards south, 2 feet 3 inch offset is provided. This offset length is 2 feet 3 inch. Towards west, 2 feet offset is provided. Towards north, 2 feet 9 inch offset is provided. In front side, along the width of site, 2 feet 9 inch offset is provided. This is 2 feet 9 inch. In northeast corner, have a parking area of size 10 feet 6 inch by 14 feet. This length is 10 feet 6 inch. This length is 14 feet. Towards east facing, main door entrance is provided. In ground floor consists 2 BHK house. This is hall, kitchen, second room, master bedroom and another bedroom. Let's see details of hall. This is hall area of dimension 13 feet 3 inch by 11 feet 7.5 inch. This length is 13 feet 3 inch and this dimension is 11 feet 7.5 inch. Living area, here utility area is provided of size 5 feet 10.5 inch by 4 feet 10.5 inch. This dimension is 5 feet 10.5 inch. This dimension is 4 feet 10.5 inch. In living area, common toilet is provided of size 6 feet 1.5 inch by 4 feet 4.5 inch. Okay, this is common toilet area. This length is 6 feet 1.5 inch and this area is 4 feet 4.5 inch. Okay, in here towards the south, washing area is provided of depth 3 feet 9 inch for washing clothes and this is puja room of size 5 feet 2.5 inch by 3 feet 9 inch. This length is 5 feet 2.5 inch and this dimension is 3 feet 9 inch. In southeast corner, kitchen is provided of size 7 feet by 7.5 feet. Okay, this length is 7 feet and this dimension is 7.5 feet. Here 1.5 feet slab is provided for the stove and wash basin in L shape. Attached to kitchen, we have a dining area of size 8 feet 1.5 inch by 11 feet 7.5 inch. This length is 8 feet 1.5 inch and this dimension is 11 feet 7.5 inch. Here our breakfast counter slab is provided. As per Vastu, in south to west corner have a master bedroom of size 9 feet 3 inch by 9 feet 8 inch. This length is 9 feet 3 inch and this length is 9 feet 8 inch. Here I have a separate wardrobe space is provided of depth 20 inch. In master bedroom, we have one attached toilet of size 4 feet 3 inch by 6 feet 4.5 inch. This dimension is 4 feet 3 inch and this length is 6 feet 4 inch. This is another bedroom in northwest corner is provided as per Vastu. Second bedroom. This dimension is 9 feet 3 inch by 9 feet 9 inch. This length is 9 feet 3 inch and this dimension is 9 feet 9 inch. Okay. You can place windows as per your requirements wherever you want. More windows opening provide as much possible as towards north and east direction. In outside of house, staircase is provided for the access to next first floor. Width of staircase is 6 feet 3 inch. Width of first flight is 3 feet and width of second flight is 3 feet. In between two flights 3 inch gap is provided for the fitting railings. Okay, here completes the ground floor details. Let's move into first floor. From ground floor to we enter first floor through this staircase. We will enter in first floor from ground floor through this staircase. In first floor consists 2 BHK house, hall, kitchen, master bedroom in southwest corner. And another bedroom in northwest as per Vastu. Okay. Let's see details of first floor plan. In first floor, we enter first into balcony of size 6 feet 3 inch by 16 feet 4 inch. This width is 6 feet 3 inch and this length is 16 feet 4 inch. Okay. In first floor, main door entrance is provided towards north facing. Okay, this is north direction. Once we enter into main door, we provide a small veranda of size 3 feet 10.5 inch by 5 feet 4.5 inch. This length is 3 feet 10.5 inch and this dimension is 5 feet 4.5 inch. Here I have a living room, means hall room of size 12 feet 4.5 inch by 12 feet 1.5 inch. This dimension is 12 feet 4.5 inch and this dimension is 12 feet 1.5 inch. In living area, one bathroom and one water closet is provided. Back door is provided for the washing area in first floor also. This is balcony of width 2 feet 3 inch. Along the length of site is provided. This is washing area, utility area. In living area, sink is provided for washing hands. Okay. This width is 2 feet. Okay. This is bathroom of size 7 feet by 4 feet 4.5 inch. This length is 7 feet and this length is 4 feet 4.5 inch. Here one water closet is provided of size 4 feet 1.5 inch by 3 feet 9 inch. This length is 4 feet 1.5 inch. This dimension is 3 feet 9 inch. Water closet means toilet. In southeast corner, kitchen is provided of size 7 feet to 4.5 inch by 8 feet. This dimension is 7 feet 4.5 inch, and this dimension is 8 feet. Here 2 feet 3 inch extra space is provided for storage. Attached to kitchen dining area is provided of size 8 feet 1.5 inch by 11 feet 7.5 inch. This dimension is 8 feet 1.5 inch, and this dimension is 11 feet 7.5 inch. Northeast corner puja room is provided of size 3 feet 10.5 inch by 6 feet 3 inch. This dimension is 3 feet 10.5 inch, and this dimension is 6 feet 3.5 inch. One thing to remember, in first floor the slab is extended here. 2 feet slab is extended. 2 feet slab is extended towards east and also west facing. 1 feet slab is extended. This master bedroom of size 9 feet by 12 feet 3 inch. This dimension is 9 feet 3 inch, and this dimension is 12 feet 3 inch. Here I have one common toilet of size 4 feet 3 inch by 7 feet 4.5 inch. This dimension is 4 feet 3 inch, and this dimension is 7 feet 4.5 inch. This is another bedroom in southwest corner of size 9 feet 3 inch by 12 feet. Width is 9 feet 3 inch, and this is 12 feet 3 inch. All outer walls are 9 inch thick brick wall, and inner walls are 4 inch thick brick wall. If you like this video, please share with your friends and hit the bell icon. Subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching this video.